Now, we've seen recent news of designers and their manufacturing practices and work conditions that they've been absolved from because, you know, employee treatment is left up to the owner of the actual factories. But the quality of these luxury goods have really plummeted, but the prices are skyrocketing. What's up with that? The greed is diabolical. Like, you are literally making dupes of your own products and you put your trademark logo on it and selling it for an exorbitant price, like so high I can touch the sky type of pricing. You can't tell me that's some diabolical behavior. It's like, oh my God, really? You have this demand for vintage goods now because that's where the quality is. I just wonder. State of fashion, especially in the luxury world. Like, my goodness, is it even worth it anymore? How does that make them better than the fast fashion market? They get so much heat from the elitists. You're supposed to be luxury. To me, you're supposed to be quality from manufacturing, from design to production. What is this luxury price tag really paying for? On the other hand, that's really good for vintage boutiques and vintage sellers. There's a huge demand, a huge market now. It expands their customer base. So good for them, where people used to thumb their nose up. Oh, that was one season ago. That was 3 seasons ago. I don't want that. Now that's all people want. I understand inflation, things change. What's the reason for the lack of quality? It's going to be interesting to see where luxury goes from here. Because more and more people are waking up to the fact that these prices, and let's be real, some of these designs are really just trendy. It's like, how long are you really gonna wear like the Loewe shielded shades? I mean, are you really gonna wear those forever? There were some very good dupes on Amazon. I mean, is it really worth the price tag? So you earn your money in some capacity. So why not be mindful of where you're spending that money? These are just some of the observations that I've had, some thoughts that have come to me since I love fashion so much, and skincare and beauty. That's mostly what I do on my channel, is fashion. But I'm trying to mix in more fashion and beauty because I love that just as equally. I love all the things. And you wonder if the brands themselves and the powers that be within these luxury brands even care. Like, do they care about the perception of the people, or are they only concerned with the few, the core few that they know will always return home, regardless of what they put out, regardless of how they market certain things? You know, we do have cancel culture, and there are brands who really felt the wrath of that. So thank you guys for watching and listening to my little monologue here. I do have a blog post up on my website. It's kind of interesting to me, the shifts that are going on. So check that out if you're a reader. It's a quick read. I never make my blog posts too long. And jump down in those comments with your thoughts, your questions. Let's get the conversation going. I love to hear what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye.